Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can take slow motion video in your phone Oneplus Nord. First of all, go to camera of your phone here and go to slow motion option. This is slow motion option and start recording your video. I record this video. While recording, it will be like a normal video, but after playing the video, you can see the slow motion. I video this action and I stop the video and I play the video that I took now. This is the video and I play this video. I play it and see the action here. Action is seen very slow. This is the recorder slow motion video and action is very slow. See there. So in this way you can easily take slow motion video on your phone Oneplus Nord. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.